What's up guys, this is Luisa from Living Ananda, and this time I'm gonna be showing you how to use your facial roller from the Green Goddess set by Estelle. The Green Goddess set comes with two tools, which is, let me show you. It's the Wasa tool, which we already have a tutorial if you want to check that out. And what we're gonna be doing today is the massage with the facial roller. These two tools are part of the Goddess set along with the Oro Rosa facial oil. Before starting the massage, I would recommend using a toner. I actually love using the Coco Rosa toner by Estelle. I find it's really refreshing and it's a nice way to start the whole ritual. After that, I use my Oro Rosa facial oil,
which is my absolute favorite oil, and the roller is going to help it really sink into the skin. The green aventurine roller comes with two ends, and the bigger end is going to be for just general areas of the face, and then the smaller one will be for more delicate areas like the under eye and upper lip. Now let's get started. So we're going to begin at our neck area, and we're going to move gently towards the jawline without pressing the tool too hard and tugging the skin. And let's make sure we do the movements at least 3 times before moving on to the next step. Now we start from the middle of the jaw, we go up, then down. And if you'd like, you can put it in the fridge for an extra cooling effect, but that's definitely not necessary. Now we're going to go over the lips and towards the ear. Now you can go over the upper lip and towards the ear with the other end. Then you're going to go from the side of your nose towards the ear. And if you want to, you can do extra passes at any areas that you feel you need the most help. For me, it's the jawline and the under eye. Now for my favorite part, we're gonna do the under eye. You use the smaller end and move towards the ear as well. And I like to pay extra attention to this part because, as you can see, I get very puffy under my eyes. Next, you're gonna go over your eye, and again you're gonna move towards the ear. And to finalize the eye area, we're gonna do the brows. This step is super helpful if you tend to hold tension between the brows, which I know I do. And now as the last step, we're gonna work on our forehead, and we're gonna start from the middle and then work towards our ear. That's it, you guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to get your own Green Goddess set, you can do it through the link below. And that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.